Well, YouTube, it's me again. And this is what happens after we light fireworks before the 4th of July. Everyone else starts lighting them before the 4th of July. So, we actually just had a few people lighting fireworks. It's probably going to shoot one off again. Oh, yep. Might not be able to see it, but it's like right over there. They're like right over there lighting fireworks. He's going to do it. He just did it. You can actually hear him like all the way over there. You might not be able to see him, but yeah, there's people lighting fireworks early before the 4th. Oh, she's gonna do it again. Let me see if I can move over this way. Oh, that's bright. They're like right over there. Like right over there. Oh! I hope y'all can see that over there, but yeah, they're lighting fireworks over there. There's gotta be some good ones. But yeah, maybe tomorrow for the 4th of July, if there's people lighting fireworks close by, I'll try and film them for you. Or if not, if I do go somewhere else to see fireworks, I'll try and get those for you too. Anyways, thanks for watching.